back, everyone. If you have not been here before, I'm Tina. Welcome to my imagination. So, as many of you know, I have started spinning yarn, and if you've been here a few times, you know I've developed a bit of a passion for it. But probably a month or two after I started spinning, I started seeing these unboxing videos of a Paradise Fiber subscription box. And most of you know by now what subscription boxes are. So they send this out every month, and you get all kinds of fun fiber stuff. And I've wanted to get one since I first saw people unboxing them, and I finally gave in and did it. And my box, or bag, I should say, has come in. And they will email you little hints. And I read the hint. Honestly, I don't remember what it was. So everything about their subscription box bag has a theme. Every month there's some sort of theme to it. So the bag, everything has to do with that theme. So the bag itself is pretty cool. Slice of paradise. Kind of funny. Paradise fibers. So let's switch it to the tabletop and see what's in here. Okay, let's see. Make sure everything's away from the end here so that I don't cut nothing other than the bag. You know what, I'm just going to do it like this. There we go. Alrighty, let's see. So they always come with a card, and the card gives you information about the box. So, make paradise where you are, near a dumpster fire. Let's see, I wonder if this will be a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so this side's going to tell us what's in the bag. And then the other card gives us inspiration of something that we can do with the fiber that comes in the bag. Okay, so let's see. Ooh. 1 ounce of degummed mulberry silk cocoons. Let's see. I think I grabbed the wrong bag here. Oh, yep, I did. Oh, that's fun. Okay. They always come in great little bags, too. Reuse them. Oh my gosh, I wish there was Feel-O-Vision. That is so soft. Wow. Look at that. I have no idea what I'm going to do with it, how to use it really yet. But that is so soft. And for reference, in case you don't know what these were, I apologize if you hear sounds in the background. My husband's in his workshop. I happen to have these. These I basically harvested myself. My mom used to work for a preschool, and every year she would give my boys silkworms, and they would raise the silkworms. And normally when you buy silk, when they harvest them, they actually kill that moth inside so that they don't get a break in their in the silk. So they get this one long piece of silk. In this case, of course, I had children. I wasn't going to do anything like that, so we would let them hatch, and then I would trim around the edge. Here's one I didn't trim, so you can see how it's kind of icky looking around the edge. So I would trim the edge up, and we would keep them to do things with, and I've done some projects. But these are still gummed because they're still in a solid form. These, they've degummed, so they've been all cleaned, but you can still see the remnants of one of the cocoons right there. And then and that's lusciously soft fiber. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So there's your comparison though between before and after. Okay, let's see. Move these back out of the way. Okay, so that's 1 ounce of that. Okay, let's see. Next, 2 ounces of Staycation, an undyed blend consisting of 30% Polworth wool, 20% mulberry silk, and 20% yak down. I have never worked with yak down, so that's kind of cool. Undyed, I think that's going to probably be, yeah, that's this one. Oh my gosh, yeah. Those cocoons were actually softer than this, but this is still really soft. Oh my gosh, amazing. So this is undyed, which means you could either leave it like this, blend it with some other stuff, or dye it. Do not know what I will do yet. That is really soft though. That's awesome. And there's 1 ounce, or no, 2 ounces. 2 ounces is actually quite a bit. When I buy Hanks in the store, I usually buy 4 ounces, so that's half of that. And look at all that in that little tiny bag. That's pretty good. Not even gonna try and shove it back in that bag right now. Okay, let's see the next one. 2 ounces of pigmented yak fiber. So this one's just yak. Wow, look at that. Look at the color in that. That is really cool. Oh, so pretty and shiny. And man, if somebody had gray hair and it actually looked like that, then they'd be. Mm-hmm. Doesn't look like it's a super long staple length, but long enough. So, I don't know. We'll have to see what we do. Okay, yeah. That's again is another 2 ounces. So, do something decent with that. Well, do something decent with any of it. Okay, let's see. One more little pouch. This is the fun little pouch. Well, they're all fun pouches, but this one always has little fun things. So let's see. One Ticket to Paradise wooden pin. Oh, that's cute. Little paradise fibers. Let's see. I might have to. There you go. Focus. There you go. So a little Ticket to Paradise. That's cute. Little pin. A one wave stitch marker. Oh, there it is, still in the bag. Right, there we go. Little tiny wave. That's cute. Okay. And then one Sweet Honeydew Stash Green Tea Sachet. They always put a little tea bag. Yeah, a lot of us crazy fiber people, we like our tea. And most of the time there's this stash, and stash is a really good tea. So Sweet Honeydew. And I actually love honeydew, so that one's going to be fun to try. And last but not least, so they have a um, mascot basically, and their mascot is called Eunice. There she is, right there. That's Eunice. So they like to do stickers in different themes of Eunice. So Eunice, here is Eunice. And Eunice this month is Vacation Eunice Vinyl Glitter Sheep Sticker. Isn't she cute? She looks like she's ready for a pool party. And then if you're part of the club and you get your packages, you always get some sort of discount code. So this month, Fiber Club members exclusive access to 10% off all Paradise Fiber brand fiber, plus additional exclusive discounts. So you always get something like that. And by the way, I am not sponsored or anything by this. I paid for this box and I wanted to share it because I've enjoyed watching other people unbox these things and I think it's kind of fun. So let's see. This is the card. Let's zoom back out. Our little inspirational card. Let's see what they say. I'm so excited for summer. There's dyeing to be done and lots of outdoor knitting to do. But this month is inspired by something a bit more important, and that is the idea of making your own little paradise. We want to inspire you to join us in a little fibery paradise of your own. When life gets stressful or chaotic, or even seems like a raging dumpster fire, remember you deserve to relax and indulge a little, even if it's just watching your favorite YouTuber while you sip some tea. I'm your favorite YouTuber. So make yourself a tasty beverage and prepare mentally for some luxury relaxation and fiber indulgence. The star of your club bag this month is the Staycation Fiber Blend. From the moment I heard about this blend, I wanted to offer it in the Fiber Club. The blend checks all the luxury fiber boxes. I hope you will enjoy spinning this incredible blend. This fiber would look amazing dyed, as you would have some lovely natural heathering from the darker yak fibers and the brightness of the silk. That's interesting. So even though it looks like just the one color, because of the different fibers in there, you'll probably get a difference in the way it holds the dye. We decided to keep the luxury going with some 100% de-haired, depigmented yak top. This fiber will be dreamy spun by itself, or it would also be fun to play with in a blend. Lastly, we have the degummed silk cocoons, which I'm going to make into mawatas. I'm not sure what that is. I'm going to have to look it up. And possibly attempt to dye all in one step. If you would like to watch, I will post the footage to YouTube, and we will have a link on the Fiber Club specials page. This will be your new go-to page, so take full advantage of all the benefits of being a Fiber Club member. So that will be fun. And this month's inspiration garment is a scarf, and that looks very pretty. And I'm not a scarf person, but that does look very pretty. But, you know, I live in a warm area, so I don't find use for scarves too often. But, oh, I'm so glad I did this. And now just to figure out what I'm going to do with all of it. Let's see, go back out a bit so you can see all my fun stuff. So we got our silk cocoons. Oh, lots of fun stuff. Oh, I'm glad you guys are here with me to see all this, and I'm not sure if I will do something before I post this or if I'm just going to post the video with this as the end, but I'm hoping to continue to get these boxes just because it's like, you know, it's like a little Christmas present in once a month just because, and since I'm a crazy fanatic Christmas person, I absolutely love Christmas. Then this is like totally right up my alley, plus the fact that I am now a fiber crazy person. And here, see, even right in my drawer, I have my little Christmas pocket knife. So I have a little bit of Christmas with me everywhere I am. So the idea of having this little surprise package that comes in the mail with just fun, Happy Mail. It's Happy Mail. Even says so right on the bag. Happy Mail. I love Happy Mail. Who wants to get bills and stuff? I'd rather get something like this. So I really think I'm going to keep doing this. So once a month you might be seeing some more unboxing videos. I think it's fun to see what's in these. Plus, I'm still going to go look at other people's unboxing videos because sometimes they will have different things. They might have 2 to 4 different colors or fibers or something. So you might get this or you might get that. This month it looks like it's all very straightforward. Everybody's getting the same thing, but some months they're different. So I'll still have to check out and see what other people get and what other people do with it. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please hit the like button and click subscribe if you haven't already. And if you'd like to know when I'm posting things, it hasn't been super often because life's been very busy right now. Um, and I am actually going to be going in for surgery, so I'm hoping that I have a very quick recovery and there won't be any gaps in my videos. But hit that notification and then you'll know when I'm uploading things. And if you have an idea of something you'd like to see me do, fiber related or other, drop a comment below and we'll see what we can do. So thanks for stopping by, everyone, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.